Hi, this is PR Sundar. Welcome to Post Market Report sponsored by Delta.exchange. Today markets opened almost flat, but as usual the selling has happened. From 12:30 pm to 2 pm, a non-stop selling, and Nifty fell about 150 points. But surprisingly, the Bank Nifty has outperformed yesterday also and today also. Today, some of the Adani stocks started trading, Adani Transmission particularly and Adani Gas also, Adani Green. Except Adani Total Gas, at one point of time, all the Adani stocks started trading. In fact, Adani Enterprise hit 10% upper circuit, again 15% upper circuit also. I thought Adani stocks have stabilized, started trading, and I thought, the worst may be over. But probably since Adani Gas and Adani Transmission started trading, some FIIs would have offloaded those shares. And market started falling and non-stop from 12:30. This severe selling pressure, I do not know whether the selling came in Adani stocks. At the end of the day, FIIs have sold 4,559 crores worth of shares. And remember, this is the fourth consecutive day of more than 1,000 crores selling. And then what they have sold today is equal to what they have sold in all 3 last days. Last 3 days, how much they have sold? That much amount they have sold just today. And but what was surprising, mid cap index ended in green, small cap index ended in green, broader markets were in green. What we can understand from this is a concentrated selling or huge profit booking in some of the good performing stocks like Reliance Industries and ITC. Reliance Industries, ITC and Infosys alone contributed for about 80% of the Nifty's fall today, particularly Reliance Industries. The 40% of Nifty's fall just came from only Reliance Industries. So probably this Reliance, Infosys, ITC plus some selling in Adani stocks could be the reason for such a big sell figure in FII account. Other than that, broader markets were looking okay. No, they are not bad. In fact, they are in green. So, today on the daily candle, today is the 9th consecutive red candles and 8th consecutive day of market falling. Nifty has fallen for 8 consecutive days. And the red candle is 9th red candle, because the first day it was not down, it opened gap up, then fell down. So that's why we have a 9 consecutive red candle, but only 8 days of continuous fall. So because of this, I'm hoping, I'm hoping that market should find bottom somewhere here. So with that hope, I sold a lot of call options, and some of the call options I squared off today, hoping that next few days markets will recover. So let us see whether my hope is correct or not. Today there were many surprises. HDFC and HDFC Bank, they both were in green throughout the day. Only in the last around 2:45 sometime, there was some selling by Bank Nifty. I think Bank Nifty has fallen about 250 point in just one 15-minute candle, again shot up by the same amount in the next 15-minute candle. Only that time HDFC Bank came to negative slightly. Other than that, HDFC and HDFC Bank was in green throughout the day. If you look at the options, 17,400 call option added huge open interest. And that is natural because, today market closing around 17,300. We just have only one more day. Even tomorrow market goes up by 70-80 point also, the 17.4 call option will be trading around the same price because of the time value. So people are selling aggressively 17,400 call, and people are also taking 17,300 short straddle. So this indicates, the markets are really very bearish, and despite the positive global cues, and today we fall for 8th straight day. So that's really looking slightly bearish. So hope things settle down very quickly. Now not only the market, even Reliance has come down to the low end of the trading range. The broader trading range is 2,200 to 2,800, but it should take support around 2,300. Now it has come closer to that level. Right now US futures are positive. Let us see what happens to US markets and how we are going to open tomorrow. But the hopes are getting low. I think once that 50% Fibonacci retracement of the last year entire move, that is around 17,050. I think once that will be tested. So that's what I feel. So let us see what happens. So hope you enjoyed watching this video. Thank you for watching.